Drawing the human body requires understanding the basic proportions and measurements that help create a realistic figure. Here's a step-by-step guide to drawing the human body with an emphasis on proportions. Understand the basic proportions. Height. The average adult human body is about 7.5 to 8 heads tall. Head. The head is the unit of measurement. From the top of the head to the bottom of the chin is 1 head unit. Neck and shoulders. The neck is about 1/3 of a head in height. The shoulders are about 2 head widths wide. Torso, chest to waist, about 1.5 heads from the bottom of the chin to the waist. Waist to groin, roughly 1 head from the waist to the groin. Arms, upper arm, shoulder to elbow, about 1.5 heads long. Lower arm, elbow to wrist, about 1.5 heads long. Hand. The hand is about 3/4 of a head in length. Legs, thigh, groin to knee, about 2 heads long. Lower leg, knee to ankle, about 2 heads long. Foot. The foot is roughly the same length as the forearm, or about 1 head long. Start with the head. Draw an oval or egg shape for the head. Neck. Draw 2 lines down from the head, forming the neck, about 1/3 of the head's length. Shoulders and torso. Draw a line across the base of the neck for the shoulders. The shoulder width is about 2 head widths. Sketch a rectangle or trapezoid for the torso, extending down 1.5 heads for the chest to waist, and another head for the waist to groin. Arms. From the shoulder, draw lines for the arms, keeping in mind the proportions of the upper arm, lower arm, and hand. Legs. Starting at the groin, draw the legs down using the 2 head unit for the thigh and lower leg, then add the feet. Refine the drawing. Add muscle definition. Once the basic structure is in place, add curves and lines to define muscles and joints. Define the joints. Indicate the elbow, knee, wrist, and ankle joints with circles. Outline the features. Refine the outline of the body, adding more detail to the chest, abdomen, and limbs. Add details. Facial features. Draw the eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, keeping in mind that the eyes are positioned halfway down the head. Hands and feet. Add fingers and toes, refining their proportions. Clothing and hair. If drawing a clothed figure, sketch the clothing folds and hair. Final touches. Shading and texturing. Add shading to give the body volume and depth. Use hatching or cross-hatching to show light and shadow. Review proportions. Check the overall proportions and adjust as needed for a balanced figure. Tips. Practice gesture drawing. Quick sketches, gesture drawings, help in capturing the flow and posture of the body. Use reference images. Study from life or photographs to understand how proportions change with perspective and movement. Patience and consistency. Mastering human anatomy takes time, so practice regularly. This approach will help you build a solid foundation in drawing the human body with accurate proportions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.